The 2025 Toyota RAV4 in silver sky metallic stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, style, and performance. As you approach this SUV, the first thing that catches your eye is its stunning exterior, a blend of sophistication and modern design. The silver sky metallic finish adds a layer of elegance, making it a head-turner on any road. This color choice perfectly complements the RAV4's bold lines and aggressive stance, giving it a distinct presence that sets it apart from the competition. Underneath its sleek exterior, the 2025 RAV4 boasts a robust performance that appeals to both city dwellers and adventure seekers. Its powerful engine delivers impressive acceleration, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether you're navigating through bustling city streets or cruising on the highway, the RAV4 provides a ride that is both exhilarating and comfortable. The all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making it a reliable companion for any journey, regardless of the weather conditions. Step inside the RAV4, and you're greeted by a cabin designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The interior is a harmonious blend of high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, creating a space that is as luxurious as it is practical. Soft-touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and meticulous attention to detail elevate the overall ambience, ensuring that every drive is a pleasure. The 2025 RAV4 comes equipped with an array of advanced features that enhance both convenience and safety. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The large touchscreen display provides easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, ensuring that you stay connected while on the go. The sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, transforming your favorite playlists into an immersive experience. Safety is a top priority for Toyota, and the 2025 RAV4 is no exception. It comes loaded with an impressive suite of safety features designed to protect you and your passengers. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are just a few of the technologies that work together to provide peace of mind on every drive. The RAV4's advanced driver assistance systems are like having an extra set of eyes on the road, helping to prevent accidents and keep everyone safe. The spacious interior of the RAV4 offers ample room for both passengers and cargo. The rear seats can be easily folded down to create a flat loading floor, making it convenient to transport larger items. Whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or running errands around town, the RAV4 provides the flexibility and space you need to accommodate your lifestyle. Fuel efficiency is another area where the 2025 RAV4 excels. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is evident in the hybrid variant, which offers remarkable fuel economy without compromising on performance. This makes the RAV4 an eco-friendly choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying the benefits of a versatile SUV. On the road, the RAV4 delivers a refined and composed ride. The suspension system has been finely tuned to absorb bumps and provide a smooth journey, even on rough terrain. The precise steering and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through tight corners and winding roads, giving you a sense of control and confidence behind the wheel. Customization is another highlight of the 2025 RAV4. With a variety of trim levels and optional packages, you can tailor the SUV to match your preferences and needs. From sporty accents to luxurious upgrades, the RAV4 offers something for everyone, allowing you to create a vehicle that truly reflects your personality. In summary, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 in silver sky metallic is a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. Its striking exterior, advanced technology, and commitment to safety make it a standout choice in the crowded SUV market. Whether you're embarking on an urban adventure or exploring the great outdoors, the RAV4 is ready to take you there in style and comfort. This SUV is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of elegance and capability, making every journey a memorable one.